Welcome to 95 Vista Heights, a beautifully maintained cape that perfectly blends a private country setting with total peace of mind. Fully restored in 2021, this three-bedroom home features updated wiring, plumbing, and windows. You will immediately notice the incredible natural light pouring through the skylights and the soaring cathedral ceilings. The heart of the home is a cozy living room, anchored by a brick fireplace that leads into a kitchen and dining area, finished with granite countertops and a functional island. The flexible layout offers 2,032 square feet of finished space, including a primary suite and multiple bedrooms to suit any lifestyle. Outside, the 2.75-acre lot offers plenty of privacy while directly abutting a local golf course. Whether you are relaxing on the enclosed screen porch or the deck overlooking the backyard, the outdoor space is designed for enjoyment. Vehicle and hobby storage is a major highlight, featuring both a one-car garage under and a newly built detached two-car garage.